Lovely day for a flight in space. And we have our cupcake capacitor. Everything is going okay. Juku, incoming transmission. Put it on the screen. What is this?
Stash Lightning, we meet again. Now give me that cupcake capacitor, or you'll be blown to pieces.
She's firing on us. Evasive maneuvers. Gotta get out of this. Damage report. Looking good. Put it in the hyperdrive. Not enough. It's not enough. She's on our left. She's on the right. Looking good. Go. Oh, man. I broke my favorite toy. Oh well. I bet I can make something cool out of it. Yeah. It's got lights, motors. This thing's pretty neat. It's got these cool acrylic pieces on it. Yeah, I'll save all these little plastic bits. Oh yeah, that'll be a nice light cover on one of my robots. Let's see what's going on the inside. Just gotta take out all these screws. Yeah, let's pop this bad boy open. All these lights and wires. Get this piece of plastic out. Yeah, that'll be a really good part. Definitely gonna want to save these. Got the switch off. And I need to take this motor out. Yeah, still intact, still spins. That's gonna be great. Everything's still working too. Little motor still works. Get my gloves on and I'm gonna cut into this thing so I can get the battery pack. Nice. What am I gonna make? Ooh, I know what to do. Yeah, time to get working. Check it out. I used the broken spaceship pieces to make a super awesome laser blaster. This is my new favorite toy. See if you can figure out what pieces I used to make this Mega Blaster. It's time to go play. Alright Juku, on to our next adventure. Be creative, be kind.